Hi, I'm Putco Pat, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the interior lighting on a Jeep JK Wrangler with the new Putco chip-on-board LED kit. First, remove the Domelight cover. Grab it from the front and twist it off. Then at the back, twist it laterally and it snaps out. Next, remove the stock bulbs. You might need a screwdriver to pop them out. We then take our adapter and plug it in. Make sure that you take note of which side fits, because they're different for the driver's and passenger side. Plug in the plug, and then after removing the backing of the 3M tape, press it into place. Then adhere the LED board. We'll repeat that for the other side. Put the adapter in place and stick on the LED board. Finally, replace the cover. Now we'll install the rear portion of the kit. Use a screwdriver to open the lens. Then remove the factory bulb. Gently squeeze the terminals. And then take your new Putco LED and place it inside the terminals. Once it's in place, close the lens and you're done.